One of the questions that was polled to the audience was about what factors influence their decision to utilize alternative methods of dispute resolution. And the users in the audience, or the parties of dispute resolution services, they ranked familiarity with the process as number one over all other factors, including predictability of outcome, financials. Why do you think that was? And do you feel the same way?
Well, personally, I chose predictability of outcome because I'm in the business of managing risk, and eliminating unknowns is really contributes to that factor of reducing risk and managing risk. But I suspect that many of the users would have the same mindset, and because of that, they would not go into a process where they do not know the terrain and they do not know the outcome. And I think this is therefore a great opportunity for educators and influencers and providers of alternative dispute resolution products to seed that awareness in users. So when you have better familiarity, then you're able to make better decisions as to whether this is a product for you or not. But for me, it is predictability of outcome. Yeah.
Great, thank you. One other question. There was another question with regards to what role parties like to see their lawyers play in the dispute resolution process. And coming from the in-house perspective, do you agree with the audience when they said that collaboration amongst the in-house and external was probably ranked the highest?
Oh, absolutely. I think that in-house counsel and external counsel ought to work hand in hand in many of these cases. But of course, we're talking about a spectrum here. We have got different in-house counsels. Some are more engaged and sophisticated than others. Some prefer to outsource more of the decision-making and the work to external counsel. So to me, it is a dance. But in every sense, collaboration is important, and that means better communication of expectations, better management of expectations, and just better control. Personally, I like to be in the driver's seat. I don't like to outsource decision-making and things like that to external counsel, but a different in-house counsel may have a different way of working with them. I like to work with them in a way for them to actually support us in terms of legal advice when it comes to very specific items, and that would impact us in our decision-making overall.
Great, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.